Okay, students, this is Ssc Cgl Type 1 model test number 40. Let's try to solve the questions from reasoning part. The first letter is from letter series. Our duty is to compare only the first letter. The first letter is K, L, M. Everything is in alphabetical order. The first letter in that question mark will be N. When I look into the options, there is only one option. That itself is my answer. Next, 7, 8 and 9. Select the option which the number is related to the same way as they are related to the given set. So what's going on here? 7, 8 and 9. What's the possible way of getting 9 from 7 and 8 or any other digit from the other two digits? Can I say 7 plus 9 is equals to how much? 16 divided by 2. If this is A, B and C, A plus C by 2 is equals to B. 6 plus 15, 21. I'll get answer in 0.5s. Waste idi. 11 plus 25, 36. 23 avale. 2 plus 4, 6. Divided by 2 is 3. Come back to this question. Given equation are solved on the basis of the certain system. Find the value of the number unsolved equation. If you observe carefully, here you have two different symbols. This is what you should observe first. And if you don't observe this, then there are more chances for you to go wrong. And here, this is a combination of three numbers with two different symbols. Avuna kada. This is very important. You have to understand what does this symbol represent. But one thing is for sure, wherever I see, everywhere I see a square. Every number in this question is a square. How much is this? 12. How much is this? 14. Can I say this is minus? How much is this? 25, 6. Can I say euro is plus? So this is 2, 7 and 9. Yen, I'll consider this as minus. Euro, I'll consider this as plus. Ante kadamma. Itla chudu 2 plus 9, 11. 11 minus 7. Enta 4. 4 words have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and one is different. Select the odd one. Ganga, Indus, Krishna and Brahmaputra. These are all rivers. The problem is Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra originate from Himalayas. This Krishna is from Western Ghats. Ekanichama, Western Ghats of India, somewhere in Maharashtra. Now this is a question which says, P's mother is the mother-in-law of the mother of Q. P's mother, who is she? Mother-in-law. Whose mother-in-law? Mother-in-law of Q's mother. Ante kada? Q's mother's mother-in-law. And this person is plus. Who is this woman here? She is P's mother. I'm not sure whether this is P or somebody else is P. Avuna kada. Andukane I'm not sure, so I'm not writing it. But one person is clear. P's mother is the mother-in-law of Q's mother. Q is the brother of Y. Next. P is the mother of M. P is the mother of M ante P is female kadamma. Chapandi. P is the mother of M. So these two are siblings. How is P related to Y? Y's father's sister. What do you call your father's sister as? Aunt. Now this, if you observe carefully here, two numbers are same, but there is only one number which is going different. What's that? What did 4 become? What did 4 become? అంటే ఒకవేళ నేను కూడా అదే సిస్టంతో పోతే 1 4 4 4 should become 8. The other number should remain same అంటే 1 8 1 8. Do you have 1 8 1 8 in the options? Yes or no? There is only one number which is changing. What is that number? 4. The other number is same. Is making 4's 2 times of 4. 4 is taken as 2 times of 4. The other number is remaining same. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? అంటే సార్ why did he make 4 as 8 అంటే maybe the other number is 2 కదా, multiply by 2 చేసిండేమో. Maybe he is multiplying this 4 by 2 and that is the reason why this 4 became 8. If that is the logic, this 4 should be multiplied by 1 and it should become 4 కదా. అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ 1 4 1 4 రావాలి, కానీ 1 4 1 4 ఆప్షన్స్లో లేదు కదా. So the only digit that is changing here is 4. 4 is becoming 8. That is what I have done. The only digit that I changed is 4 and I made 4 as 8. So 1818. Next, Delhi. If you observe carefully, this is a question where this question is nowhere related to the place values. Avuna kada? This is a question where this is not at all related to place values. Moreover, what I am supposed to do here is D is written as 7, E is 3, L is 5, H is 4, I is 1. I'm not sure, but when I come back to this second word Calcutta, I can see there are 2 digits, 3 digits which are repeating. What are those 3 digits? 8. C. Wherever you find C, he has written it as 8. Wherever you find A, he is taking it as 2. And 2 T's are taken as 6. So this is a question where the letters are randomly coded with some particular number. And they don't follow any particular logic. They don't follow any particular logic. So what should be the code for C? 8. So 8 here and 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth place also 8. I need 8 in first place and 8 in fifth place. How many places? Only one place. Which option is my answer? First option. Letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I in their order are substituted by 9 integers 1 to 9 but not necessarily in the same order. What are the letters? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. These letters are substituted by 9 integers 1 to 9 but not necessarily in the same order. Fine. 4 is assigned to E. The difference between E and I is 5. When I say difference is 5, it should be plus or minus. If I go for 4 minus 5, it is minus 1, but the value should be from 1 to 9. And the pakka this is 9. Next entity, the difference between C and I is 3. Ante different I is already 9. Plus 5 yes, I will go for 14, but you can't take a number which is 14. It should be only from 1 to 9. So minus 5. So minus 3 kada, sorry. Plus 3 చేస్తే 12. 12 తీసుకునే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. Minus 3 చేస్తే 6. What is the integer assigned to C? What's the answer? 6. All G is U. No boy is that. So I'll tell you one thing, listen. Before I solve this question, read this. Read the given statements and conclusions carefully, assuming that the information given in the statement is to be true, even if they appears to be a variance from commonly known facts. And what is given in this is not right. It is wrong. Because he says, even it appears to be a variance from commonly known facts. So commonly known facts is different. This is different. So don't consider this. What's happening here is, okay, some girls are boys. Some girls are boys, wrong. Amma, ikkadamma, idi conclusion. Conclusion is some girls are boys, kada. There is no relationship between G and B, so this is wrong. Some boys are not girls, right. Complementary, all boys are girls. These boys cannot cross this boundary, so this is wrong. What's the answer? Only 2. Next, go for this question. I see the numbers are increasing. The numbers are increasing. What am I supposed to do? I can see one thing here. The previous number is almost 3 times of the next number. Avuna kada? Ipudu 4 into 3, 12 minus 2. 10 into 3, 30 minus 2. 28 into 3, 84 minus 2. Into 3 minus 2. Into 3 minus 2. What should be my answer? Amma? 100% guarantee my answer should end with 0. Enduku 4 3s 12 minus 2 0. Now you have 2 options, either this or this. This number is not even 250, it is 250 into 3, you will go for 750. And the value should be less than 750. N options, so only one option. Clear? Next, go for this question. Can you please tell me one thing here? Is this number a multiple of 81? Chappandamma. How many times? అరే బాబు ఇక్కడ 1 ఉండి ఇక్కడ 7 ఫస్ట్ థాట్కి ఒక పాయింట్ రావాలి, మేబీ మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ 7 అని చెప్పి. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? అయి ఉండొచ్చు, అయి ఉండకపోవచ్చు, కానీ గెస్ చేస్తాం. ఇట్ కెన్ బి ఆర్ ఇట్ కెనాట్ బి, బట్ వీ విల్ గెస్. అండర్స్టూడ్? See, if you find 61 and if you see 306 here, maybe 61 is a multiple of 6, maybe. But I don't say exactly, maybe. So that is what I am trying here. I see 1 here and I see 7 here, maybe. Let me check 81 into 7. 8 7s 56, 1 into 7, 7. Correct kada? This is 61 into 5. Yes. What is this? 64 into how much? 2 times. Ante kadamma. 5 into any number, never. What's the logic here? Ante 7, I am going with the difference of 8 and 1. 5, I am going with the difference of 6 and 1. 2, I am going with the difference of 6 and 4. The difference between the digits is multiplied with the same number. The difference between the digits is multiplied with the same number. What's the difference here? 5 and 2? 3. 25 3s. But which is my answer? Fourth option. Next, look at this question here. What is this question here? DXHFT OBEVC. Okay na? Ma, vinandamma. Vinand. First I need to go directly kada. D and O and D is how much? 4. O is 15 plus 11. I is 9 plus 11 is 20. There is no option which is starting with T. And one thing is for sure, what I tried is not correct. What should my duty? What is my duty? Reverse. DC minus 1. 24, 22 minus 2. 8 and 5 minus 3. 6 and 2 minus 4. Okay na? Question into the impute I am LPUT minus 1. Entama? Amma? Next 13 minus 2 11 K. 11 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is how much? 12 minus 3, 9. 9 is what? I. Your answer should end with IKH. How many options? Only one option. Which option? Second option. Sarita, Meena and Rohit have different amounts of money with them. Rohit has twice the amount of money than Meena. One second, cheppedam but vachindi a question. Rohit has twice the amount of Meena. Ante 2M kada. Tarvata the total amount of money that Rohit and Sarita has is Sarita has 16 more than amount of Rohit. S is equal to R plus 16. How much money does Meena has? Substitute directly. Ante kada. R plus 16 ante 2R plus 16 is equals to 144. 2R is equals to 144 minus 16. Then R is equal to how much? 144 minus 16, 128. 128 divided by 2, 64. R is equal to 64 and Meena is equals to 32. Unda option? Ma, what's the question here? Analogy. Select the option in which the pair of words share the same relationship as they share by the given pair of words. Editor and magazine. What do you mean by editor and magazine? Who runs a magazine? Amma? Chappandamma. Magazine editor amma. Chalo, movie scene kaadu. Movies made by director. Music director. Director drama? Yes. Drama is directed by drama. Ma, looking at 117, what's your observation? Is it a multiple of any number? Amma? 13 into 9. Can I say this is 9 into 13 equals to 117? 10 became 9, 14 became 13. Idi 4 into 20 is equals to 8. 5 became 4, 21 became 20. Minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. What's the answer? 48. Starting from point Q, Kiran walked 20 meters towards south. Starting from point Q, any meters? 20 meters towards south. He turned left and walked for 30 meters. Amma south నుండి left అంటే మనకి right. How many meters? 30 meters. He turned left and walked for 20 meters. Now he is facing which direction? East or west? Left అంటే పైకి వెళ్ళాలి. ఎన్ని meters? 20. Stop exactly parallel to Q. Now he is facing north. He again turned left and walked for 40 meters and reached point T. This here is 30. Now he is supposed to travel for another 10. And this is point T. How far and which direction is point T from point Q? Point T from 10 meters west. 10 meters west. So now we have a question where you are supposed to change the numbers and symbols. If you observe carefully with the first option, he is asking us to change plus and minus, but the next is he is asking us to change 56 and 28. Asal 28 unda ada? Chappandamma. When there is no 28, how can you expect answer from first option? No kada. Next is what? Divide and plus 23 and 21. 115. Now plus becomes what? Divided by. Divided by 23 should also be changed together with 21 kada. Tarvata minus 56. Divide is becoming plus 21 into 3. First division, any times so? 5 times. Next multiplication, any times so? 3 times. 63. Majlo minus 56 plus 5 plus 63, 68. 68 minus 56, 12. Is the answer 12? Yes. Next question. What will you do with this question? We'll always go with the repetitions. Somewhere or the other we'll have repetitions, we'll go with that. So T and W. There is a blank between T and W, but there is one here. After T I can see immediately O. If I put O here, after O I get W. Other W తీసుకోవచ్చు ఇక్కడ. What is the town? ఇది N. TOWN. TOWN. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? అర్థమవుతుందా? రిపిటేషన్స్ బట్టి చేయటం బెస్ట్. 24th August in a year is Wednesday. The number of Mondays in that month are. Ma, what is 24th August? In a year was Wednesday. So, see, look at this. 24th is Wednesday. 23, 22, 21. And then, what's the day before Wednesday? Before that? 22nd is Monday. Next is 29th కదా. చెప్పండమ్మా. 29 plus 7 అంటే 36. ఛాన్స్ లేదా ఆడ? అంతే కదా. మళ్ళా 22కి ముందు ఏమొస్తుంది? 15. 15 ముందు 8. 8 ముందు అంతేనా? చెప్పండమ్మా. How many? ఎట్లా చేద్దాం ఇది? Concentrate on this point here. Now that particular square is pointing towards northeast అనొచ్చా? చెప్పండమ్మా. ఈస్ట్, సౌత్ ఈస్ట్, సౌత్. ఇప్పుడు ఎటు కావాలి? సౌత్ వెస్ట్. 1, 2. అంతేనా? నౌ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ షేడెడ్ పార్ట్. ఇది టర్నింగ్ క్లాక్ వైజా యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజా? యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్. వెస్ట్, సౌత్ వెస్ట్, సౌత్, సౌత్ ఈస్ట్, ఈస్ట్. 1 or 3? Embedded, come on. Amma, 4th option. 23, water image or mirror image? Mirror image. Mirror is placed along the line AP and it is towards right side. Any by answer? Amma? Second option. 24. Opposite to 4. Where do you 4? This is 4 and this is 4. What are the numbers adjacent to 4? 5, 2, 6, 3. What's missing? 1. Opposite to 4, 1. అంతే కదా? నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ మా ఇది చేస్తాను నేను ఒకసారి చూడండి అందరూ ఒకసారి. ఫస్ట్ ఐ విల్ కన్సిడర్ దిస్ పర్టిక్యులర్ ఏరియా హియర్. దిస్ వన్ షార్ట్ కట్. హౌ మెనీ హియర్? Similarly, how many here? 3 plus 3 and this bigger one, 7. Similarly, below bottom 8. Ante kada? As of now 8. Pakka padidam 8. Idu okati enta 9. Malla combination kodte 10. Avuna kada? Extra 2. Idu okati enta 11. Combination igo idi 12. Done? So as of now how many? 12. Most of you, what you will do, you will answer it as 12. Yes? But there is one small problem here. We have forgotten this particular one. మర్చిపోయారా లేదా? సేమ్ అదే ఇక్కడ కనపడుతుంది. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఎన్ని వచ్చినాయి? ఎనీ డౌట్స్?